How about a boredom buster? For Gridley Games makes a bunch of different items that they're called just add and then fill in the blank. So this one is just add sugar. And so all you really have to have as a parent, I love these for a rainy day, you know, have a shelf of these if you've got kiddos in the house and you know that you're going to have sugar. Some of the other ones are just add milk or just add soap. It's things that you have on hand. And then the rest of the things that you need are inside this little box. And you can make so many different science experiments and so many different art projects by just adding sugar to the different things on the box. Like one of the things that they have is that you can make, you know, those crystal sugar lollipops in different colors. But they've got other things here too that you can do. Learn about crystallization and supersaturation right in front of your eyes. Make your own candy and clean up your own with your own homemade soap. So really, really fun. This is something to do together with your kids. And again, this is from Gridley Games. This one is called Just Add Sugar. Again, I love how they package those. The packaging is reusable.
Thanks for watching Autism Live. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give us a like. In fact, make sure that you smash that subscribe button on YouTube and give us a like on Facebook. You can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram for important updates. And please download our free podcast wherever you get your podcasts. See you next time. Until then, give your kiddos a hug from me and one for you too. Bye-bye for now.
To subscribe, click here. And if you'd like to check out some more of our videos, click here.